Hi, my name is Jana, and in this video I'm going to answer what Clickfunnels is and how you can make money with Clickfunnels. And if you stay until the end of this video, I will give you a free bonus, so stay tuned. So before I begin, you need to first understand what is affiliate marketing is and what is Clickfunnels is. So affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's product. And when someone clicks on your link and buy the product, you get a commission for it, okay? So that's so great. You don't even need to have your own product. You can just promote other people's product. And Clickfunnels is a software that helps entrepreneurs to build profitable online businesses and sell more of their products and services. So I'm going to show you a few reasons why it's great to be a Clickfunnels affiliate. And first is that you get in recurring passive income. Because once someone buys Clickfunnels from your link, they are going to continue to use it and you will be getting commissions every single month. And the good news is that they are going to stay with Clickfunnels for a long time. Because every business needs it. Other reason why you would like to join Clickfunnels is their commission structure. Okay, so they have 40% commissions and they have two main packages for their Clickfunnels software, which is one $97 per month basic package, another one $297 per month more advanced. And your 40% commission would be $38 per month or $118 per month, which is good, and it's going to be recurring every single month because people are going to stay with Clickfunnels. Next amazing thing about Clickfunnels is sticky cookie. Okay, so what is sticky cookies? Is say when someone clicked on your link and didn't buy it right away. But after about 6 months, suddenly they think about Clickfunnels and they come back. And if they buy Clickfunnels, you will still get your commission. And next reason why I would like to go with Clickfunnels is retargeting. So what Clickfunnels does is they retarget people for you. So if someone visited through your link to their products, they would retarget them. They will send them emails, ads, stuff like that. And say if after 2 or 6 months of this retargeting, they will come back and buy, you will still get your commission. And another great reason why you would like to go with Clickfunnels is once you will have 100 people to sign for Clickfunnels, they will pay for your dream car $500 per month. Or if you will reach even more people, say 200 people, you will help to sign up for Clickfunnels. So they will pay $1,000 for you to lease a car every single month. They will pay you once you reach this 200 or 100 people. And you will still get your commissions from the people, your recurring commissions of your affiliates. So that was another great reason why you would like to join Clickfunnels. And now I'm going to share with you my done-for-you business for free. And all you have to do is to go to the second link in the description. Click there, put in your email, and I'm going to send you a free training, as well as my done-for-you business. And it's already profitable. I'm using it myself. So you're just gonna plug into it and use it, okay? So it's going to be in the link down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you wanted, give this a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.